Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so let's go over today what I'm looking at, what I'm looking forward to. And yeah, we had a great day yesterday. Do want to see how everything's going to play out today. 1 second here. Let's tell the team members that we're on live. And also, let me pull up the other chat too. So, obviously, Starbucks is looking pretty decent. Also looking good today if we can somehow break above 2. Yo, Mike, what's up? What's up? Good morning, Catherine. Good to see you guys. Leah, thanks for the gift. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, today's looking like a pretty good day. So yeah, honestly, we'll have to see how everything plays out. 1 second here. Let's tell the team members we're on live. All right, cool. Yo, Samir, what's up, man? Good to see you. And Chris, what's up? Yeah, no worries. So, yeah, we're going to go over the Qs. Tesla. We'll go over RIVN. Wingstop did very good. Dude, I didn't even look at Wingstop. So, yeah, we'll look at that too. So, we do have Starbucks up as well. Yes, sir, man. I'm ready for today. It looks pretty excited. Yes, I know we have FOMC today, so just got to be very careful with that. But other than that, we'll see how everything plays out. Yo, Debbie, what's up? Good morning. An OP, okay, yeah. Let me write all this down. So yeah, we're pretty much just getting started. Hold on, let me get my. Hold on, let me see. Gotta grab a new pen here. 1 second. We will get started. In just a moment here. Okay. All right, so perfect. Let's get straight to it. Wingstop, dude. I haven't even looked at Wingstop. So yeah, we'll take a look there. Honestly, let's Wingstop. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Wingstop did do its thing for sure. 293. Dang, that went wild. Oh wow, yeah, that's definitely a great day for sure if anyone got in that. All right, so yeah, let's go over Tesla. We'll go over RIVN too as well, and we'll go over the Qs too. So what I'm looking at here, and let's go ahead and break all this down. I want to start fresh here. So what I'm looking at personally. Okay. So I think. Yeah, so there is, okay, so this looks good. And what I'm seeing here, so right now, yes, there are 2 possible outcomes that I'm looking at. First things first, what do we have here? There is this clear move up of no consolidation. And I've actually was waiting on this one since yesterday. But you can see, yes, this is what I would want to the downside. And as you can see, nice top wall, decent bottom wall here. And yes, right under us, you can see 2 body candles closing directly underneath the same wall. This is where price is having a hard time getting under. So yeah, this is a Potter box. What I'm looking for, obviously we know about the early punchback entries. I'm looking for a break and a body candle closure underneath this wall, underneath this level. And if we can somehow do that, we do have resistance all the way down, or we don't see any, or I don't see any resistance until this red candle there. So 315 down to that 307 looks good, looks decent. Do want to see how that will play out. Obviously, where are we right now? So yeah, first TP would still be that middle of the move. But yeah, you can see, where are we right now? We are in, of course, another box here. So another top wall there, also another bottom wall here. And yes, as you can see, we do have beautiful top wall that needs to be broken here. If we can get above there, we have empty space up to this 325 area. So yeah, actually looks really good. So whether if it wants to go up or down, I have empty space both places that I'm seeing. So clear move down, no consolidation. Also clear move up, no consolidation here. So that's personally what I'm looking at. As for right now, I'm not doing anything, and of course I can't if I wanted to, since the market isn't open. But yeah, it looks good. So yes, just like all of our plays, all of our setups, you can see what we did yesterday. Didn't even get a chance to post these, but you can see the before, the aftermath on the cues. So we'll go over the cues too. QBT did also really decent as well. You can see what one member did on the cues there. Also, you can see what more plays, quick play there. So yeah, either the plays work or they don't. See, shout out to Wyatt, thanks to SoFi and Quantum, so QBT as well. Yeah, ended up going out pretty well. So yeah, right now, where are we at? We're in the boxes, there's no trade. So there's nothing for me to do except for wait. Actually, give me a second here. I have to get my charger. I'm on literally 8%. So, you know the daily routine. So let me get my charger 1 second here. All right, so let's take a look here. So I think Marvel went pretty wild too. So we'll go over that too, honestly. We'll honestly go over everything. So what we did, Tesla, RIVN. Oh wow, RIVN did exactly. It did this thing, and I'll be honest. When I don't really trade RIVN like that, but maybe I need to, because like not every time, but a lot of times when I draw out those charts, a lot of times they will hit. Sometimes they won't, which is perfectly fine, but you can see we had what? Clear move up, empty space. We do have a wall that we needed to break. We ended up breaking under here. We went down to the downside. Personally, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's start fresh. It's a new day. What I'm looking at here, so this is on a 2 hour. Let me see if that 1 hour lines up too. Okay, yeah, even this 1 hour looks really good. And yes, I do also see that upside there. If we do want to keep dropping, so, and yeah, I do see both sides. So yeah, just give me a second. No worries, Chris. We do have this beautiful top wall, beautiful bottom wall there, right under us. And hold on, honestly, these moves don't look too bad though. Doesn't look terrible. All right, so yeah, as you can see, yes. And my phone isn't even charging right now. See if we can charge that. Hold on 1 second here. I'm trying to charge my phone. It's charged now. All right, so yeah, as you can see here, we also have this. So yes, clear move up. So yeah, I see that these candles had a clear move up of no red candles. This is exactly what I want to the downside. And that's if we can somehow, some way break under this wall. We break under. Oh yeah, we have the empty space. We have exactly what we need. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we like. So yeah, am I going to do anything here? No. Why? Because we are inside this box. So I'm not going to do anything, just going to wait. I'm also seeing this. So yes, we had that nice drop. Hold on 1 second here. I didn't even pull up the other stream either. Yo, really appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. So yeah, as of right now, what I'm seeing here, which looks really, really good, is this. We do have, and honestly, yes, clear move down, no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. And I know it sounds like I'm repeating myself, which I pretty much am, because I look for the same setup each day inside of my Discord. You can see, where are we at? We're inside of consolidation. So there's just nothing for me that I would want to do here except for wait. What I'm looking at now is if we can somehow, some way break above our top level or top wall, I'm personally looking for the next resistance, which is up to this green candle here. Honestly, you know what? I'll keep an eye out on RIVN today, just because I have seen it. Not even like this week, but like throughout the past couple months, I've seen it like follow really well. I mean, sometimes, yeah, the play may not work out. May have to, you know, look for a new setup. But yeah, you can see what we have there. It doesn't look too bad. All right, so that was on RIVN. And yes, you can see all of our plays are going to be exactly the same. You can see what the members and I did here. You can see, shout out to A&M, 312% on that. You can see on the keys before, the after. We're in the box, no trade. We end up breaking outside our wall, outside of our box, into the empty space, we have the trade. So same thing, QBT, we did really well on that too as well. Shout out to Wyatt, said thanks to SoFi and Quantum. So pretty decent, yeah. So yesterday was good. Also Tesla before, we're in the box, no trade. We have the empty space, we break outside of our wall. That's when I want to take the trade. Obviously, yes, either the plays work or they don't. You can pretty much see how we call out setups. And yes, I'm using a crayon right now, a pink one. I don't know where my pen is, so you can roast me, it's cool. But yeah, you can also see what SMCI before, the aftermath. We're outside the box, outside the wall, we take the trade. So I think what all of our trades worked yesterday except for TTD. So if I have to get stopped out, that's perfectly fine. There's no shame in it because I know the bigger picture that I'm going to get at. So now Starbucks, I do want to go over this. So I will be honest. And so where were we? So we were at what? This 92 area. Obviously, yes, this is just a lotto for sure. So obviously, yes, it is going the right way, which is great. I did see, yes, that we did have we dropped into my first TP, and then we ended up going back up. So it looks like those cons would need a nice push for us to find some value into it. Honestly, I would love this as a regular entry too as well. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these plays, so please do your own research before doing anything. Obviously, yes, we had this in the Lottos tab. You can see I'm favoring calls here. You can see where we were. Obviously, yes, this is obviously Lotto plays. Not our regular entries, of course, but I am seeing a regular entry if we can somehow get above. So, and yeah, either the Lottos work or they don't. But yeah, as you can see here, what is this? Clear move, and yes, I'll read all comments in a second. I'm sorry, I haven't read any of the comments yet. But as of right now, we do have this. Yes, clear move down, no consolidation here. And we went up. We're up, what, about like $6 or so. We do have a nice, beautiful top wall that needs to be broken. You can see 2 wicks and a body candle closing directly at the same price. So what I'm waiting for, what I'm looking at is if we can somehow, some way break and hold above that, 99.48. Yeah, it looks good. We have the empty space above us. So I'm glad it's just going in the right direction though. I wish we just would have went up instead of just dropping down below. But I didn't tell the team members if we did drop, we would go down to this 88.16 area. So we pretty much did both. So I do want to see if we can get that nice push though. We'll have to see. All right, so that's on Starbucks. Yeah, Wingstop went crazy. Yeah, that went pretty wild. I didn't even freaking Wingstop. That's funny. All right, so now let's keep going here. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second here. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Exclusive Tesla signs 4.3 billion. Battery deal source says reducing China reliance. Oh wow, hold on, give me a second here. I might have to keep a lookout on Tesla today. Hold on, give me a second. If it'll load, you just give me a second, I'm sorry. And yes, we'll look at all the other chats. I'll read the comments right now. So hold on 1 second here. Yeah, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. So Microsoft, cool, no worries. Apple, yo Vincent, what's up, Blanca? Good to see you guys and gals. Should I use Robinhood? Obviously, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice or anything. Personally, for me, I really wouldn't use Robinhood if I'm trying to take it seriously. Obviously, yes, today, yo Joe, what's up? So yeah, we have FOMC today. So yeah, we have that big meeting today at 2:30 p.m. So about the end of the day. So we'll have to see how everything plays out. We may chop, honestly, until then, but if we don't, we get a move, I'll definitely just try it light for sure. All right, so Starbucks looking pretty decent there. KSS, I do like how we're pushing down there. All right, so hold on 1 second here. So what? MRVL. Let's take a look here. Marvel. Okay. So yeah, for me at least, Webull or TradeStation is, and I've used a lot of brokers. I mean, there are a lot of good brokers out there for sure. But those are the best ones that I've had, you know, the best outcome with for sure. But yeah, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so Marvel. Okay, yeah, Marvel ended up doing pretty decent. I didn't get into this one though. But yeah, as you can see here, we are into this empty space. If we can continue, I could see us hitting that, what, 85, 90 area. And what I'm looking at here now, so for a regular entry, you know, it doesn't look bad. It looks good, actually. So I get it. I mean, maybe some of the members, I think one of the members got into this one. But no, I didn't end up getting into this. But yeah, what I'm seeing here, and it looks exactly like Starbucks, right? So you can see Starbucks. We have, and yes, I look for the same move, pretty much the same move every day. And either the plays work or they don't. You can see here, yes, what is this? Clear move down, no consolidation there. And right above us. So you can easily see if we, and yeah, that's if we can get up here. So no, there's no entry, nothing for me to do except for wait. As you can see here, yes, we end up breaking, closing above our top wall here, top level. That 92 area, we do have that empty space above us, and yes, this is also another box. So basically, to break it down in simple terms, we're trading from one area of consolidation, so from one box into the next box. So in between what I just circled, is this a box? Absolutely not. This is a clear sell-off. So this is what I'm targeting into the next box there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see what suits a box. So yeah, for a box, okay, hold on, let's see here. And you want to look at, hold on, yo Vincent, what's up? UP, what? WK, okay, yeah, we'll go over all of that as well. ENPH and SPY, okay, cool. ENPH, also SPY. I don't even know if we went over the Qs yet. All right, so now we'll keep going. And why do you switch between the 4-hour and the 24-hour? So yeah, those are actually great questions, and we'll go over all of this as well. So basically and honestly, this is a very good example here. And we'll go over, honestly, yeah, we'll go over this one right here. So what makes a box? Basically, yes, consolidation. You can see where these candles are going pretty much back and forth. So I can go, honestly, I don't want to get rid of pretty much all this since I've pretty much done it already. But yes, what I see here. So the first thing that we see, don't worry about these blue lines right now. So yes, the first thing I see is this empty space. So that's personally what I identify first. Obviously, yes, the boxes matter more than the empty space, but yes, we see the empty space. That's exactly what I want. But in order for me to go into this empty space, we would need a Potter box, a nice top wall, bottom wall here as well. So I'm basically looking for points of contact, and I go by body candles, wicks, or sometimes even both. So I do like to go by 2 points of contact or more. More points of contact, the better. So you can see what this top wall, we have a body candle there and another body candle here, closing directly at the same price. This is where price is having a hard time getting above. So if we do end up breaking above our top wall, we have the empty space above us. Obviously, the bottom wall here matters too. Those are 2 points of contact, 2 body candles there. Obviously, yes, I would love way more, points of contact. So there's, situations where, well, let's see, where there's more points of contact. So like for the Qs, yeah, this was just yesterday. We had the empty space, we had the gap that we wanted. You can see we had body wick, 2 body candles there, and another wick. So yes, 2 wicks and 2 body candles closing directly the same price. So that tells me, okay, that's our bottom wall. This is where buyers gain control. So yes, buyers, their job is to keep price pushing up, and they were doing a very good job. Obviously, I'm looking for a break and a body candle closure outside of our wall, or if we can hold for our small entry. You can see we did just that. We break outside, we hold under, we go down into those final TPs as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, you know, either the plays work or they don't. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. You can see what a couple of the members ended up doing there. Obviously not just on the Q's play. You can see, I could literally scroll up and show you different charts. And yes, I can only show you charts. I can't show you anything else, so please do your own research before doing anything. So you can see what? AMD. Before, we're in the box, no trade. We end up breaking outside the wall, we take the trade. So you can see the before there, the after. You see the before here, and yes, 24-hour, and we'll go over why I go to the 24-hour too. You can see MU, we did really good on that too. So what you can see, what we did on MU, shout out Moneybags as well. So on that MU put there, also more MU. So yeah, MU about to pay me for another vacation. You can see also, and yeah, either the trades work or they don't. If I have to get tapped out, if I have to stop out of a trade, that's perfectly fine too. Well, yesterday we had a great day yesterday. We had, I think, we had a lot of trades that ended up working out. Only one trade didn't work out, and I stopped out very quickly on it. And that's pretty much it. And we can go over that too as well. All right, so we'll see. We'll take a look here. Look for, yeah, Potter boxes on, yeah. So I haven't posted my own educational videos yet. So yes, shout out Potter stocks as well. But mainly shout out to Jesus. Great day, beautiful morning. It's going to be a great day. All right, so now Marvel, where are we at? So 83 area. Okay. Starbucks. Okay. MPH. Did we do this as well? I'm not sure if we did. Hold on one second here. So what's UPWK? I'm actually going to leave Starbucks up. ENPH, Tesla, SPY. Okay, cool. So yeah, we'll go over all these trades as well. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. You don't have to join if you don't want to, but yes, if you do want to, link is in the bio. Amen. Thanks to the Lord. Amen. Honestly, I feel great today. I feel great today. Yeah, I know we have FOMC today. Honestly, I wish we didn't, but it's fine. So whatever. So yeah, what I can see here next, let's go to a possible 24-hour time frame. And Tesla, dude, Joe, yeah, it's on watch for me. Honestly, they'll be on watch every day. All right, so yeah, let me stop yapping. So let's see here, UPWK. Okay, I do see the empty space above us. I do want to see if we can somehow, some way. All right, so this is what I'm seeing. And yes, I know I had a question like, okay, why did I switch the 24-hour down to the 4-hour? So 24-hour charts, that's when we mainly swing trade. So of course, 24-hour chart, we mainly swing trade in our Discord. So I'm going to start on the higher time frame. And the higher time frame gives me the bigger rewards. But yes, if I day trade, if we take day trades, obviously our swing trades will be the last hour, but our day trades, they will be on a 1 hour on a lower time frame. But yeah, if I'm looking to swing something, I'm looking at a 24-hour, the weekly chart, 4-hour, possibly the 2-hour too as well. So it really just depends on the setup. Like for this one, this looks good. What do we have? We have the empty space. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before joining into the live stream, or if you do join the Discord, make sure to do your own research as well. And no, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades, so please do your own research. But yeah, as you can see here, yes, we have the empty space that we like. This is exactly what I want to the upside. And yes, we do have a nice, beautiful top wall that needs to be broken. We have a body candle and a wick closing directly at the same price. So for me, at least, I'm waiting to see if we can possibly break above our top level into this empty space. So yeah, you can see we have this nice little Potter box there. That's a body candle and also a wick. And I will be honest though, I don't know what these contracts look like, so I would have to do my own research on these. So yeah, I haven't really traded this one at all. So yeah, we'll keep going. So UPWK, Tesla, I will be waiting on that. I'll keep an eye on that. Let's see how that plays out today. All right, so ENPH. Hold on, let's Did I miss did I miss this? Hold on, give me a second. I don't even remember. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate all the likes and the follows, guys. Really appreciate it. Yo, JD, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. Phoebe, thanks for the follow. So, ENPH, I will be honest, I know I didn't get into this one, but if we scroll back, let's see, this way. So yeah, if we scroll here, what do we have? Clear move up, no consolidation, and of course, what is this? Hold on. We did have a nice Potter box here. We ended up breaking under this bottom wall here. Last week we closed under, which allowed us into the empty space. That move ended up doing really well. So yeah, as you can see here, yeah, where are we? We are currently trying to touch that final TP. So yes, as of right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait and see if we can end up touching that final TP, that 3279 area. And yes, maybe to the upside we could potentially. So let's see. So yes, I get it. We ended up dropping down below. It did great. We could build some structure and possibly take this to the upside at some point in time. So yeah, we'll have to see on that. Actually doesn't look too terrible though. Alright, so UPWK, we did. So yeah, we gotta go over SPY and the Qs. Alright, so SPY, what I'm seeing here, and yes, I do want to see where Tesla is. Starbucks doesn't look too bad though. Alright, so as of right now, what I'm seeing here. Alright, so one second. So yeah, what looks good to me, and yes, as you can see, let's go ahead and break this down. So I did this on a 2 hour. There is empty space above us too. So hold on, give me a second here. Give me 1 second. So well, yes, what I can see here is this. So at least on the 1 hour, personally, I would choose the Qs over SPY. But yeah, as you can see, we do have top wall there, bottom wall here, and yes, right above us, you can easily see that if we can somehow, some way get this breaking candle closure above this top wall, we do have empty space up to this green candle here. So yeah, it looks good, looks decent. Obviously, from the entry to the exit, in the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want, which is the empty space. So yeah, right now, where are we at? We are currently inside this box, inside of this Potter box. So am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait and see if we can, potentially get outside this wall. So honestly, hopefully it doesn't happen during pre-market. So you can see, sometimes some of the plays may happen pre-market. Obviously, this one yesterday, it didn't. So that was great for us. You can see the before there, also the after. You can see QBT. That actually did pretty decent as well. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. So that is on the Qs, or not the Qs, that's on SPY. Also, let's take a look at NVDA. Cool, yeah, no worries. What, SharpLink, SBET, okay. Yo, Kai, what's up? Google, yeah, no worries. Google, perfect. All right, 1 second, let me write some things down here. One second. Starbucks. Marvel. Alright, cool. Alright, so as of right now, so for Google, what I can see here, and yeah, we caught a very beautiful trade on this one yesterday. Shout out to Rug for that chart there. So yeah, this is more of a lotto. So I do want to see if we can somehow, some way, continue into this empty space. So I do like how we did end up closing above. I do want to see if we can either finish this move here, or if we don't, yeah, we're just going to go back into this box here. So I do want to see how that's going to play out. We'll have to see how that plays out, though. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, Google actually looks really good. So yeah, I do want to see how that's going to play out. Obviously, yes, if we go back to this box here, we somehow, some way go into this box there, we will, or we could potentially go and crash down. But if we can stay above, stay into the empty space, and get that push, yeah, it also looks really good. All right, so hold on a second here. I do want to pull up a lot of these trades here. All right, so yo, thanks for the follows, Lucy. Yo, JD, thanks for the follows as well. All right, so yeah, that was on Google. Hold on, give me a second here. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad though. We'll have to see how that plays out. Hold on, give me a second. August. All right. So yeah, that was on Google. It doesn't look too bad though. BBAI. Hold on one second here. Also cool. NVDA. Let's take a look there. SharpLink. All right. Cool. Yo, thanks for the follows. We appreciate it. Yo, Ryan. CVNA. Yeah, no worries. So honestly, what I'm looking at here is this. Can I check POTR? What are we seeing? Personally, I do see a couple good trades for today that don't look terrible, but we'll just have to see. One second here. All right. Let me drink some water really quickly. One second here. All right, so right now, NVDA, let's take a look. All right, so personally, this is how I would do this one. And, you know, it still doesn't look bad. So as of right now, what am I seeing here? We are seeing, yes, empty space. So yeah, we do have this, what, clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to this upside here. And of course, this actually looks really decent. In order for us to do this one, for me at least, and yes, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything. It looks like, so hold on, I'm going to explain myself. We may end up retesting here. Give me a second here. Top wall there, bottom wall here. You can see, yes, we have this top wall. We ended up breaking outside. So I do want to see if we can somehow, some way retest this top wall there. If we can, we do have empty space up to that green candle there. And honestly, it doesn't look too bad. As you can see, yes, what do we have here? Top wall, bottom wall there. Inside the middle, we have exactly what we want. So yes, if we can continue, we do have that empty space, which looks really good. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Either we retest here. If we don't retest and we end up closing under, I can see us dropping down below. All right, so let's take a look here. BBAI, SBET, Sharp. Okay, so SharpLink. And yes, all of our trades are exactly the same. We don't change anything. You can see what we did yesterday. Boom, before, the afters. See what we did the day before. What we did on Tesla. Also, SMCI too as well. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. So, as of now, SharpLink actually SharpLink doesn't look too bad. So yeah, what I can see here, looks like we're coming quite close to this. So let's take a look. We do have this. Yes, clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. And in order for me to take this to the downside, what would I need? Or we pretty much already have it. So we have a nice Potter box, a nice bottom wall that needs to be broken. So you can see what? There is a wick. So there's one wick and two body candles. So that's 3 points of contact. And I'm looking for a nice break and body candle closure underneath this wall. If we can get that, we have that empty space down to that what? 1352 area. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. And no, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. So yes, you all have to do your own research. Not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. All right, so now let's keep going here. BBAI, where's Tesla? So Tesla's looking not bad. I do see that. I do see another gap there down to that 317. So yeah, NVIDIA needs to either retest. If we can retest this top wall, that would be great. If we can't, we're just gonna go back down. All right, so PLTR. Yo, Sin Tacos, what's up, man? Good to see you once again. All right, so yeah, PLTR. We'll take a look. Good to see you, Sin Tacos. Hope you're having a blessed day today, man. All right, so now let's keep going here. PLTR. Personally, what I'm seeing here on a laptop. So yes, it's a laptop. I'm sorry. I do have a PC though. Don't worry, guys. He was in the last live stream hating, so no worries. Hope you're hope you're having a blessed one today, my guy. So yes, I have a MacBook. I have also this other MacBook here. So I have 2 MacBooks, and I also have this PC down there too as well. So I do have that nice PC as well. Yeah, it is. It's no worries. It's pretty funny though. All right. So, anyways, we'll keep on going. You take advantage of beginners with basic trading info. How am I don't take advantage of anybody, anything. I don't tell anyone to get into any trades. I am just on live, going over my own analysis. Obviously, if you don't want to watch it, if you don't want to be here, you don't have to. If you don't want to join the Discord, you don't have to at all. So yeah, that's pretty much up to you guys. So no, I don't tell anyone to do anything. So no, I don't force anyone to join the Discord. I don't force anyone to do anything. I never told a soul to get into any trades, and I never will. Obviously, yes, I post my own setups, of course. If they hit, they hit. If they don't, that's fine as well. If you want to see what one member did on a call out yesterday, you can see the cues there before. Also, you can see the after. You can see what he did, 312% on that one trade. So yeah, either it works or it doesn't. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so what, meta 2? All right, so what we got to do, meta. Got you, Joe. No worries. All right, so POTR. Oh yeah, I don't tell anyone to do anything. So that's pretty much it. So 1 second here. We do have, yes, and same exact thing. We do have nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. And what I'm seeing is, yes, we do have this Potter box that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this upside. And obviously, yes, I will be honest, yes, there is empty space here that also looks good. And if we can somehow, some way, break and close above our top level, our top wall, we do have empty space up to this green candle here, which absolutely looks really, really good. So yes, I can see that empty space there. I do like this better move here. It just looks a lot better to me. It's a lot more clean, so looks really good. So yeah, as you can see, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So it doesn't look bad. And no, I'm not saying anyone to get into any of these trades, so please do your own research before doing anything. And nor have I ever told a soul to get into any trades. I'm only on live stream going over the charts. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. If you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP, but no, not telling anyone to do anything. If you don't want to join, you don't have to. And obviously, if you do, you can honestly just join the free chat, see how you like it there. Yeah, that's funny. All right, so we'll keep going. They used to trade with pen and papers. Dude, yeah, they used to trade with pen and paper. So do you think it will do good? Personally, I'm only going to trade the box, this Potter box here. It tells me whether if I can get in or not. So basically this box tells me, can I stay in? Can I get out? If I have to stop out, the box will tell me. If I have to take my profits, the box will tell me. So you can see, like, let's just say for yesterday, we end up breaking under this wall, and yeah, we had an entry on this one. If it would have went back into the box, oh yeah, I would have had to get stopped out. That's perfectly fine. I can always find that re-entry. But yeah, that trade ended up working out. Though, yeah, Catherine, yeah, no worries. I'll appreciate the being here as well. So yeah, personally, you know, either the plays work or they don't. Obviously, there's just no entry for that as of right now, so just gonna wait. Yo, Joe, what's up? I don't know if I went over meta. Did I go over meta? And also what? MSFT? Yeah, no worries. All right, cool. And yes, I'm always here, whether if my trade hits or if it misses. So yeah, no worries. All right, so okay, I didn't go over that yet. Okay, maybe. Okay, cool. Let's go over this, and then we'll go over on Microsoft as well. 1 second. Let's drink some water here. All right, so as of right now, let's take a look. Let's go to a possible. Oh, that 1 hour. Okay, that 1 hour actually looks really good. Commercial break. Maybe in a second. Dude, I don't even have any ice. My ice melted. So maybe I shouldn't be, you know, drinking that. But anyways, clear move down, no consolidation here. And this actually looks good to this upside. Obviously, what I can see here is, yes, we do have a nice top wall there. Nice bottom wall here. And what I can see, so yes, we have a nice Potter box. We need to break above our top wall. And if we can possibly go to where there's resistance, which is up there. Obviously, yes, definitely there's resistance here. Have to be very, very careful on that. But yeah, where are we at? We're in the box. We're in this Potter box. Am I going to take a trade? Absolutely not. I'm going to wait. And if I have a trade, cool, I'm going to take it. If I don't have it, I don't rush into anything. I've learned not to chase, and I've learned the hard way. So yeah, I'm not going to chase into anything. Want to see if we can get it? Yes. If it tells me, cool, we're above, I'll definitely get in. But if not, we'll just have to wait. And yes, well, we do have what FOMC today at 2:30, I believe, Eastern time. So yeah, just gonna wait and see how everything plays out. Yo, Domo, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. All right, so Microsoft, where's Starbucks, where's Tesla? All right, where's the keys? Okay, we gotta go over the keys too. So the keys look really good too. All right, so as of right now, he said, was fighting gold all morning in the rain. Should have known it could have got higher. Still made my money on fire, man. Shout out to McCain. All right, so we'll keep going. So honestly, you know, I feel like we might have a good, decent move at open. So we might get like a nice, decent move at open. And then I feel like, yeah, we might end up chopping until that 2:30 bill. But obviously, yes, we could end up chopping the whole day, or it really just, you know, depends on what the market wants to do. And yeah, my job isn't to do anything but to react. So if we chop, if we're in the box all day, no trade. But yeah, I do see a couple good trades that, you know, I'll be looking at for sure. All right, so HD, let's go over this. And personally, what I like here, yes, we do have what? This clear move up, no consolidation. And this is what I want to the downside. So I actually wanted this yesterday. So as you can see here, what do I have? Potter box. We do have a nice bottom wall that needs to be broken. If we can somehow, some way, break and close under this level here, it looks really good. 510 to that 506. Yeah, actually looks really good. So right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna wait on that, just to see if we can get that or not. All right, so that's there. We did meta. We got to do the Qs too. So yeah, we'll go over all these trades as well. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. Commercial break right now. I do need to get me some more ice and water. So if you guys and gals want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, you don't have to at all. So, and if you do join, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. But yes, just give me 1 second. I shall be right back. 1 second here, 1 second here. And yes, just please do your own research, of course. And sorry about the bad music. Yo, I'm back, guys. I got my ice now, so we're good. We're good. I got some fruit too. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. All right, so now let's take a look here. Let's see. So yeah, we did Tesla. I do want to go over the Qs too. So the Qs actually look really decent too as well. So what I can see here is this. So let's take a look. We do have, and honestly, yeah, this looks really good actually. So what I'm seeing here is this clear move down, no consolidation, and this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, you can easily see, yes, we have a nice top all there, decent bottom all here, and you can easily see, yes, what do we have? We break above our top all here. We don't have any resistance until that green candle there. So, you know, it does look really good. You know, it looks exactly like SPY. They pretty much have similar moves. I get it. Only what? About a $2 move up. Not bad, but still nice decent scalp if we can somehow get it. So right now, where are we at? We are inside this box, inside this wall here. So there's no trade. So same thing like all my other trades. So like the Qs, we had it to the downside yesterday. Before, the after. But now I can see to the upside if we can get it. So am I going to get in right now? Absolutely not. Not telling anyone to do anything, so please do your own research, of course, before doing anything. All right, so Starbucks looks really good end of day though. All right, so 1 second here. AMZN and HD. Did we do BBA? I don't think we even did BBAI. Hold on 1 second here. AMZN also what? HD as well. And yeah, honestly, I think today is going to be a great day. Even if we chop, and yeah, if we chop all day, I'm just going to wait for my end of day swings, and you know that's pretty much it. All right, so right now it looks like we did this on a 4 hour. Looks like we ended up breaking under this bottom wall here. We're pretty much still at what, buyer's control. So I do want to see if we can somehow reject. We can go into this AP space here. I'm also seeing, let's go down to a lower time frame. There's also, hold on, give me a second. So there's also that other box that we need to break below. I might just, so since I'm not in this one right now. So yeah, I do want to see if we can somehow get under here. Hold on 1 second here. I'm going to tweak this a little bit. So yeah, we could end up just straight up rejecting. So we are pretty much at that bottom wall there. But there is another little box there. So do want to see how this can end up reacting here. So this one, what, a little 4 hour. It doesn't look too bad though. So yes, what do I see here? Empty space. Actually looks really good. Clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. So this one a 4 hour for sure. So do want to see how that will play out. Obviously, let's go to the upside too. Hold on, give me a second. Let's remove this really quickly. Because I will be honest, I do see upside. There is this as well. Well, let's see. Does it line up? Does it match? Okay, it matches. All right, so right now, what I'm seeing here as well. So yes, there's also more empty space there. I can easily see, yes, we have a nice, beautiful top wall there. Also, nice, beautiful bottom wall here. So yes, we are sitting right above this call space area. If we can somehow, some way break above, I would want to see if we can go up to that 233.57 area. So it actually doesn't look too bad. As you can see, yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, so yes, the direct middle, we have exactly what we want. So right now, where are we at? So yeah, a lot of these trades were pretty much in the box. Honestly, which is a good sign for me, since the plays didn't happen pre-market yet. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But yeah, as you can see here, what do we have? The empty space. We have a nice Potter box. We break above this wall, could potentially go to the upside. So right now, there's no entry, not telling anyone to do anything, so please do your own research, of course. All right, so Tesla, okay. S-Bucks. All right, so HD, we'll take a look at this as well. Okay. Let's get rid of all this and let's go to a possible weekly time frame. Do you think I should wait until after FOMC? Personally, for me, so since FOMC is today, oh yeah, if I see a trade, I will definitely take it. It'll just be more of a lighter entry for me. But yeah, what? I still definitely will have the end of day swings as well. Yo, Jared, what's up? Good to see you. Honestly, I see a good few. I do like Tesla. I do like the Qs. Those are some, like, for some day trades, though. Nothing too crazy. But no, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. I'm not into any of these trades, nor can I be. All right, so what I see here, and yeah, this is not the craziest move. I get it. Not the craziest move, but what I can see here is this. Yo, John Lee, what's up? Dude, that's crazy. He has his last name is spelled like my first name. That's crazy. 1 E. Dude, that's that's very rare. So shout out to Lee. Shout out to my twin right there. Yeah, I don't meet a lot of people with 1 E in their name. All right, so anyways. Yo, Robin, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. All right, so as of right now, yeah, we're twins, man. All right, so as of right now, yes, we do have empty space right above us. We can somehow, some way get above this top wall. We do have that empty space, which looks really good. So, do want to see how that is going to play out. Doesn't look too bad there. Yo, Jared, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So what? POTR? Hold on, let's see. We'll take a look at that again. And also, HOOD. Cool. All right, so POTR. Let's go ahead and break this down here as well. What's the direction for this morning? Calls or puts? Honestly, it really just depends on the setup. You know, there are some setups that are saying puts and some setups are saying calls. We'll just have to see, honestly. Hold on, give me a second here. Where are we at? POTR. Personally, ooh, that 4 hour looks pretty decent. Give me a second. I do want to see if that, ooh, 2 hour lines up good. Let's see if that 1 hour does too as well. Okay, yeah. So this is what I like here. What I can see here is this. So, yes, clear move down, no consolidation. What I like about this is, yes, I can see, yes, we are, or we could potentially tab to that empty space there. I get that. Maybe on a lower time frame. What I can also see here is this. So yeah, we do have a nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here, and right above us, you can easily see. So yes, body candle. So 4 body candles closing at the same wall. We somehow, some way, can get a nice break above that. We have no resistance until this green candle there. So definitely could have it up there. I do want to see if we can get that final though. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So, you know, this is a move that, you know, I would typically just wait for just because we're still in that box. Could we potentially go up on a lower time frame? Absolutely. This is empty space too. But for a nice clear move, I do see that as well. And yeah, they're just like all of our other setups. And personally, I like clear setups. I like things that are very clear. So like Tesla. We had the empty space. It was clear as day. We had a top wall needed to break. We end up breaking, holding above. We go up and tap. You can see SMCI. And yeah, sometimes the plays don't want to work. So you can see SMCI before there, also the after. So let's just say we would have gotten in, and then boom, it's going up, it's going great, and then we somehow go back into the box. I'm stopping out. I'm getting that re-entry though. And yeah, you can see this play. It ended up gapping up. Yeah, that was a beautiful play though. Yeah, that was just beautiful. But anyways, yeah, that's just what I'm seeing there. Can you talk about the Marvel? Yeah, no worries. Where are we at? MRVL, and then yeah, we got to do HOD. So Robin, I got you. No worries. So it looks like, hold on. So it looks like on the 1 hour, So yeah, this would have. So we did end up breaking under, going into this empty space here. Personally, since that already happened, I do want to create another box here. So yes, there was another box there. We still have a little bit of empty space right under us. We could somehow get under. I don't see any resistance till down to this red candle there. And yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, right now, where are we? We are currently inside of this box, inside this Potter box here. We'd love to see if we can possibly finish that move there. It doesn't look too bad at all. All right, so Marvel, Spy. Okay, cool. So Marvel, honestly, yeah, we'll go over Spy too. No worries, man. Spy pretty much has the same setup, I believe. Yeah, pretty much they look identical. So yeah, same thing here, guys and gals. What do we have here? Clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would want, you know, to the upside. And I get it. Yeah, we had a crazy move. Yeah, we had a decent move to the upside. As you can see, what do we have here? Empty space. So if we can somehow, some way get above our top wall, our top level, you know, it looks really decent. So right now, what am I going to do? So yeah, this is on a 24-hour chart. So if I'm on a 24-hour, I will wait for an end of day swing. But yeah, we're not anywhere close to that. If we do continue, let's see us possibly reaching this floor, this 85, 89 area. And yeah, that doesn't actually look too bad. All right, so Spy. But yeah, it had a crazy move. And no, not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. What I can see on Spy now is this. And you know, it looks exactly like the cues. Clear move down, no consolidation here. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad if we can end up getting it. So yes, we do have what? Nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. We somehow, some way can break and close above this top wall, the 636 area. We don't have any resistance until up to this green candle. So yeah, it looks really good, looks really decent. Do want to see how that's going to play out though. Not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, that is on what? That is on what, Spy. So yeah, right now we're in the box. Hopefully, I know what we have FOMC today, so hopefully we can just get that nice little move and see how everything plays out. So yes, all of our plays are going to be exactly the same. You see, we break outside the wall, SMCI. That was a great trade. You can see how we pretty much call out setups, and yeah, either the plays work or they don't. If they work, cool. If they don't, that's perfectly fine too as well. I get tapped out, I can always find a re-entry. You can see what we pretty much did this week already, and we had a couple other ones as well. But yeah, you can see also Tesla, a couple of other trades that we ended up getting into. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, all these trades, either they work or they don't. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. So yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. Everything will be in the link in the bio. But yes, honestly, you can just join the free chat, see how you like it, talk to the members. Yeah, you can see what we do here. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I really appreciate you all tuning back in. So yes, I will be doing another live in about an hour or two. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. Have a blessed one. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.